Alright, why don't we work for a little bit on the Is It Site Tools project, make sure we got it set up right. We should use week OX Use Site Tools, and then create a client and a server. Folders inside of them. You might also, if you want to, optionally export ports here, port and server port, and then in the bin ww folder for the server, set not port but server port. Change the environment variable here to use server port. It's optional. And then optionally you might also set export debug server.server, which again references this, the debug phrase for the for this particular project. And then we'll go ahead and we'll start the server. And as you can see, because we have the debug going, it shows us the port that we're running on. Then we'll come over here to the client and we'll do NPM start, and it pops up and it shows us that what we're looking for is data from Elvin config. We click the button and it gets us that data. And then if we look back on the command line for the server, we can see that like 10 different times since I kept clicking the button, it got the data for us and then displayed it on the form. And if we do an F12, we can see, because I did it multiple times, we got the array back multiple times, and we can look at it and see the results. And you can see that baster was set to var www.html images, which is what we ended up showing here. And most importantly, we also see that there's no errors over here. And the same would be true if we ran it in Chrome, that we can bring up the console window, and if we press the bar it works and it doesn't show errors. And if we run to the network page and we do a refresh, we also don't see errors. Okay, thanks. That's what I'm looking for.